Yeah, so pretty much nothing there, no water, but it quickly escalates to full right there. And same thing over there. There's no water over there. Bunch of water here. Ice. So it's super low in this corner for some reason. Looks beautiful. Give me a hammer. I'm gonna bust it out. Woo. Hopefully I don't break this copper gutter. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, easy peasy, no problemo. We're gonna add a rain chain here. Perfect. All right, we're getting into it.
Which is settled. We're gonna add a rain chain. Have a pan right here to catch the water. Put a drain down this way. Go past that tree and connect to the existing drain pipe. Gotta dig out a little bit over there. It's about 15 feet. We're gonna add a rain chain, catch the water, because you can't slow up that gutter anymore. It's holding a lot of water in that corner. So yeah, catch the water, put it in the drain, put it in the drain. What does this guy have? Big chunk of ice. Woo! Yeah, that's just water holding. I want to catch the water into a rain chain. Bring it down right next to that tree stump with a pan. Put a pipe to the pan. Go all the way there.
So base, yep.
We
there
cut
you go.
that drain
Cut the
pipe
out.
over there. We decided to locate the drain pipe. Instead of connecting to that corner there, we found the drain pipe going down this way, closer to the rain chain. Install the rain chain over there. Pipe is going to go underneath the tray. It's going to be a catch basin, tray, whatever. And then made it 2 cuts over there to put in a new fitment. Gonna have the new 2-inch pipe connecting to a 3-inch with a reducer. Doesn't need a large pipe for a rain chain area. It's only a small section of gutter collecting water. Have a downspout there, 15 feet in, and downspout there, 15 feet in. And this concrete one is fake, doesn't go anywhere. We're also dealing with a tree stump. Might have to put that tray a little higher. Get rid of that shred. We made a rain chain and now a drain, so when it rain, it ain't no pain. Just like that. So we got a rain chain and we're making the drain. So when it rain, ain't gonna be no pain. This guy is putting the pipes in. Rubber fitments, so this piece goes in no problem. Horizontal.
Little bit of glue on the connection.
It's a 2-inch pipe going reducing to a 3-inch or
3-inch.
or not reducing, the opposite of reducing. Right? Well, we created a mold with the dirt to see which angle the pipe's going to sit in.
There you
Just
go.
fit that right in, so we know that the correct angle we wanted to center that tray. Voila. Perfect.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
excellent work, Slava.
I'm securing it. Right
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
on the pipe.
I guess I don't know how to turn it off. Ooh, wee.
Now we just fill in the blanks.
Beautiful. I love it.
Attach this
Check the
somehow.
levels, make sure levels good.
Homeowner is gonna put some rocks in there. Probably best to secure this chain so it doesn't sway in the wind. Maybe like a little bracket of some sort to that tree stump, or some kind of connection from the rain chain to the drain. Same for the tray. Tray is a little loose right now. Tightening those rubber fitments. I'm sure they have a name for it.
Rubber couplings.
Rubber couplings. Checking the slope.
Big slope.
Big slope, that's what we want.
Oh, yeah.
Love it.
Perfect.
Amazing. You guys did
Perfect.
an amazing work.
And it's a vertical connection, so it's
You guys
not
are
gonna
almost
backflow.
professionals.
It's almost like we've done this before. Oh, it's going. So I had some, I was working with some wire. I had this kind of wire for the top outlet, and I cut it down. Used some pliers to cut like a little S shape. So there's tabs on the bottom of this outlet. So it hooks underneath those tabs. So it shouldn't shift around. The S shape will hook onto the bottom of that cupping. I was thinking to use two of these so it doesn't go side to side. Try it. It's already dark, almost 7 p.m. Rain chain's in, tray is in. We got some ice to hold it down. Just kidding. Temporary rocks, but the homeowner is gonna have to put some bigger rocks so that doesn't fall through the outlet at the bottom of that tray. Put some screws into a nearby tree stump. That was useful. This one here had to be a 7-incher. Put some glue on it. Stainless steel, copper. Dirt is back in. No trace of any work. It's like nothing happened here. Homeowner has copper cleanouts